Hello student, today we are going to learn subtraction. This is part of chapter number 9, word problems, addition and subtraction. First example, there are 1473 Marathi books and 586 Hindi books in a school library. Which language has more books than the other and how many more are there? Here we have to calculate which language has more books than other and by how many more books. Then first, what information is given in this example? We have given Marathi books 1473 and Hindi books 586. Which language has more books? Yes, Marathi language has more books. Now, what is asked here? How many more books in which language? This is our asked question. Now, what method should be used? Yes, here we do subtraction. Now, see 1473, these are Marathi books and 586 are Hindi books. Now we do subtraction. 3 minus 6, this is possible not. 3 is a small and 6 is a big. Therefore, we can borrow from 7. We can borrow from this 7. Then how many here remaining? 6 tens, and here we get 13. Now 13 minus 6, 7. Now 6 minus 8, this is possible not. Then we can borrow from this 4. We can borrow from this 400 to 100. Then how many hundreds remaining here? 300, and here we get 16 tens. Now 16 tens minus 8, we get 8. Now 3 minus 5, no, we can borrow from this 1000. We can borrow 1000 here. How many thousands remaining? 0. Here we get 1300. Now 1300 minus 5, how many hundreds remaining? 8. Means our answer is 887. There are 887 more Marathi books than Hindi books. Now next example. The sum of two number is 31,426. One of the number is 17,548. What is the other number? Here we have to given the sum of two numbers. Sum of two number is 31,426. Sum of two number. Two numbers. One number is 17,548. We have to calculate the other number. Now here for that we do subtraction. Now this is 8 is big number and 6 is small. Therefore we can borrow from here tens. We can borrow 1 10 from this 2 10. Here how many tens remaining? 1. Here we get 16. 16 minus 8, 8. Now here 1 is a small and 4 is a big. Therefore we can borrow from this 100. We can borrow 100 here. How many 100 remaining? Here. And here we get 11. Now 11 minus 4, how many remaining? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 7. Now then 3 minus 5, this is not possible. Therefore we can borrow from this 1000. We can borrow 1000. Here how many thousands remaining? 0. Here we get 13. Now 13 minus 5, we get 8. Now this is 0 and this 7. Then again we can borrow from this 3. Here we get 10 and here 10. Now 10 minus 7, 3. 2 minus 1, 1. The other number is 13,878. Here the other number is 13,878. Now let's solve the exercise. First example, Abdul had 720 beds. He sold 648 of them. How many beds does he have left? Here he have left means here we have to do the subtraction. Now 720 beds minus 648. Here 0 beds and here 8 beds. Therefore we can borrow from this tens. Here 2 tens we can borrow 1 10. Then here how many tens remaining? 1. And here we get 10. Now 10 minus 8 2. Now this is 1 and this is 4. Then again we can borrow from 7. From this 7 we borrow 1. Here how many remaining? 6. Here we get 11. Now 11 10 minus 4 10. How many tens remaining? 7. He have left 72 beds. Understood? Now see the next example. Joseph bought tables worth rupees 6,350 and chairs worth rupees 3,800. How much more did the tables cost than the chairs? Here we have to calculate the table cost more than chair cost. We have to give, this is the cost of table and this is cost of chair. How much more? Table cost then chair. Now 6,350 minus 3,800. 0 minus 0 0. 5 minus 0 5. 3 minus 8, it is, this is small number and this is big, therefore we can borrow from here. Here we get 5. Here 13. Now 13 minus 8 9 10 11 12 13. 5 and 5 minus 3 2 means 2,550 rupees. The cost of table is more by 2,550. Understood? Now see the next example. Raghav Rao bought a seeds worth 3,587 and fertilizers worth rupees 4,655. How much more than seeds did the fertilizer cost? Means we have to calculate how much more the seeds cost than fertilizers cost. Now here we have to do the subtraction. Now 4,655 cost of fertilizer and 3,587 cost of seeds. Now this is a big and this is a small, therefore we can borrow from here. Here we get 4 and 15. Now 15 minus 7, here 8. Now again this is a small number and this is a big, therefore we can borrow from hundreds. Here we get 500 and here we get 14. Now 14 minus 8 we get 6. Now 5 minus 5 0 and 4 minus 3 1. The answer is 1,068. Understood? Means how much more than the seeds did the fertilizer cost. Cost of fertilizer is more 1,068 than seeds. Now see the next example. The reading of the electrical city meter in Nisha's house was 03452 on the 1st of the June. On the 1st of July it was 03531. How many units of electricity were used in June? There we have to do the subtraction. Now this is the reading of July month and this is the reading of June month. We have to calculate how many units used in June. Now 1 minus 2 not possible, therefore we can borrow from 3. Here we get 2 and here we 11. 11 minus 2, how many units remaining? 9. Now 2 minus 5, this is not possible. This 2 is a small and 5 is a big number. Therefore, we can borrow from hundreds. Here we get 400 and here we get 12 tens. Now 12 tens minus 5, we get 7 tens. Now 4 minus 4, 0. 3 minus 3, 0. 0 minus 0, 0. Means in June 79 units were used. Now see the next example. In the census taken in 2001, the population of village was 62,947. The census of the year 2011 listed the population as 74,405. How much did the population increase in mentioned time? Means we have to give the populations of two villages. The population of one village in 2 years. This is population of village in 2011 and this is the population of village in 2001, and we have to calculate increasing population in this 10 years. Now 5 minus 7, this is not possible, therefore we can borrow from tens. Here we 0 tens, then we can borrow from hundreds. Here 4 hundreds, borrow 100. We get 10, here we get 10. Now can we borrow from this? Here we get 9 and here 15. Now 15 minus 7, we get 8. Now 9 tens minus 4 tens, 5. Now 3 minus 9, this is not possible, therefore we can borrow from here thousands. Here we get 3000. Here we get 1300. Now 1300 minus 9, how many hundreds remaining? 4. 3 minus 2, 1. And 7 minus 6, 1. Means in 10 years, the population increases by 11,458. Understood? Okay. Thank you for watching the video.